Right now, high above your head, an ancient traveler from beyond our solar system is making its closest approach to Earth. Comet 3I Atlas, a visitor that's been journeying through the galaxy for possibly billions of years, is giving us a rare opportunity to witness interstellar space up close. And here's the incredible part. You can see it with your own telescope, but you need to act fast. This visitor is already on its way back to the depths of interstellar space, never to return. 3I Atlas was discovered on July 1st, 2025, by the Atlas Survey Telescope in Chile. That I in its name stands for interstellar, making it only the third confirmed interstellar object ever detected visiting our solar system, after the famous Oumuamua in 2017 and Comet Borisov in 2019. This cosmic wanderer is between 1 and 3 miles across and is currently traveling at over 136,000 miles per hour. It reached its closest point to the Sun on October 29th and is now making its closest approach to Earth on December 19th at about 167 million miles away. What makes this comet fascinating is its composition. The James Webb Space Telescope found it's unusually rich in carbon dioxide, and the Very Large Telescope detected surprising amounts of nickel and cyanide, giving scientists clues about the chemistry of its home system, wherever that may be. Here's why right now is your best chance. The comet is currently at its peak brightness at around magnitude 12, which puts it within reach of amateur telescopes and even good binoculars. Your observing window is narrow. Look for it in the pre-dawn sky about 1 to 2 hours before sunrise. Throughout December, it's gradually climbing higher in the morning sky, moving through the constellations Virgo and Leo. By early January, it will have faded to magnitude 14 or dimmer, making it much more challenging to spot, and after that, it's gone forever, heading back into the vast darkness between the stars. Let's talk equipment. At magnitude 12, you'll need at least 80mm binoculars or a 6-inch telescope to spot it. However, an 8-inch or larger telescope will give you much better views, and you'll be able to make out details in the comet's coma and possibly its tail. Dark skies are crucial. Get away from city lights if possible. Even moderate light pollution can make this faint target disappear into the glow. You'll absolutely need a star chart or astronomy app. I recommend Stellarium, SkySafari, or Sky Tonight. These apps will show you exactly where to point your telescope. The comet is currently in the constellation Leo, near the bright star Regulus, which makes it easier to locate. Here's a pro tip. Use Venus and the bright star Spica in Virgo as guideposts. The comet is positioned between these bright markers in the pre-dawn sky. Here's your observation strategy. Set up your telescope at least 1 to 2 hours before sunrise while it's still dark. Let your eyes adapt to the darkness for at least 20 minutes. First, locate the constellation Leo and its brightest star, Regulus. The comet is moving through this region during mid to late December. Use your star app to get the precise coordinates for your observing date and location. Now here's what you're looking for, not a star-like point, but a small fuzzy smudge with a slightly greenish tint. Through an 8-inch telescope, you might see a condensed central region and a subtle tail extending away from the sun. If you want to photograph it, you'll need a camera capable of taking 30 to 60-second exposures. Even a smartphone attached to your telescope with a tracking mount can capture amazing images. The comet's coma measures about 100,000 kilometers across, and its tail extends even further. Amateur astronomers worldwide are already capturing spectacular images showing multiple tail structures and the active nucleus. This is citizen science at its finest. Why is this so special? Think about it. This comet may be older than our own solar system. Scientists estimate it could be 7 billion years old or more. It formed around a distant star we'll never identify, was ejected into interstellar space, and has been wandering the galaxy ever since. For billions of years, it traveled through the cold, dark space between stars. Now, purely by chance, its path intersected with ours. We get to observe a piece of another star system, to analyze its chemistry, to understand what materials exist beyond our cosmic neighborhood. And you, with your telescope, can be part of this historic moment. How incredible is that? So grab your telescope, download that star app, set your alarm for early morning, and get out there. You're not just observing a comet, you're witnessing a once-in-human history event. This exact visitor will never return. If you capture images, share them. Use the hashtag 3iAtlas and tag us. We'd love to feature your observations. Hit that like button if you're planning to observe, subscribe for more cosmic opportunities like this, and share this with your fellow space enthusiasts. Let's make sure everyone knows about this incredible visitor. And as always, keep looking up.